What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a geographic area where all living organisms, like plants, birds, humans, and animals, and non-living constituents, like air, sunlight, water, minerals, soil, and weather, interact with each other to support the web of life. Types of ecosystems. Ecosystems can be broadly classified into two types. 1. Terrestrial ecosystems. And 2. Aquatic ecosystems. Terrestrial ecosystems include forests, mountains, farmlands, grasslands and savannas, peatlands, urban areas. Aquatic ecosystems include freshwater, oceans and seas. Why are ecosystems important? Balanced and vibrant ecosystems are vital for human welfare and survival. The food we eat, the oxygen we breathe, and the water we drink all come from ecosystems. They are the source of raw materials, medicines, and energy. Ecosystems also play a vital role in preventing the spread of diseases and regulation of vectors, pests, and pathogens. Besides supporting the lives and livelihoods of billions of people, ecosystems also provide planet-wide benefits like climate protection and biodiversity conservation. Health of humankind is directly linked to the health of ecosystems. However, ecosystems face massive threats today. Forests are being cleared, rivers and lakes polluted, wetlands and peatlands drained, seas and oceans polluted and overfished, mountains bald and eroded, and cities congested and polluted. Almost every ecosystem on Earth has been altered by human activity. And although ecosystems have a regenerative capacity, that is, they can repair a certain amount of regular damage on their own, several ecosystems are now damaged to such an extent that they will not recover without assistance. Most of our ecosystems are fast approaching their tipping point, beyond which degradation will be steep and almost certainly irreversible. We just can't wait. Restoration ecology is the practice of renewing and restoring degraded, damaged, or destroyed ecosystems and habitats by active human intervention and action. It is vital to replenish ecosystems so that we can restore their functionality, diversity, and dynamics. We need to immediately take up projects that focus on restoring tree cover with native species, protecting wildlife and its habitat, adopting sustainable farming methods, re-wetting drained peatlands, limiting excavation in mountains, rewilding urban spaces, cleaning up rivers and lakes, practicing sustainable fishing, reducing pollution, eliminating plastic waste. Ecosystems are the foundations of our own well-being. Understanding and safeguarding them is not only important, but also urgent. It is time to go beyond conservation. It is time for ecosystem restoration. To be an active participant in ecosystem restoration initiatives being pursued at your location, get in touch with the sustainability champion in charge of your office. To know how you can make a difference, log on to Tata World and participate in Tata Sustainability Month 2021. Join the conversation. Follow us on Facebook.